In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send stars on Monopoly Go. If you've ever wondered how to share some progress with your friends in the game, sending stars is a simple and helpful way to do it. Stars are tied to stickers, so when you send a duplicate sticker, you also send the stars that sticker is worth. You can do this up to 5 times per day, so it's perfect for helping friends complete albums while keeping your own collection tidy. Start by opening your sticker album. This is where all of your collected cards live, organized by sets. Take a moment to glance through your pages so you can quickly spot cards you have more than one of. You're looking specifically for duplicates, and the game makes those easy to identify. Duplicates show a small plus sign with a number on the card. That number tells you how many extra copies you've got, which is exactly what you can share. Once you see a duplicate, tap it to bring up its details. This opens the card screen and confirms the sticker's value and its status as a duplicate. From here, look for the Send to Friend button at the bottom of the screen. It's highlighted to make sharing straightforward. Tap it when you're ready to move that sticker along. Next, choose who you want to send it to. Your friends list will appear, showing everyone you've connected with in the game. Pick the friend who needs that card or who you want to help. If you're coordinating with someone to finish a set, this is the perfect time to be intentional about what you send. To wrap it up, confirm the transfer by pressing the Continue button. The game will finalize the send, moving the duplicate sticker out of your album and delivering both the card and its associated stars to your friend. Remember, the stars travel with the sticker. You can't split them off or keep the stars while sending the card. That's part of what makes this feature generous and impactful. A few quick tips before you go. If you don't see the option to send, make sure the card is actually a duplicate. Non-duplicates can't be shared. Also, if the button is grayed out or you're unable to send, you may have hit the daily limit of 5 sends, so try again the next day. Finally, double check your connection and your friends list if something doesn't appear as expected. That's all there is to it. Open your album, find a duplicate, send it to a friend, and confirm. It's simple, fast, and a great way to spread the love and the stars in Monopoly Go.